first experiment is how much vinegar?
1 cup of vinegar.
1 cup of vinegar, and how much baking soda?
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon. We place the baking soda in a napkin so it doesn't touch the vinegar until we're ready. We have a cork. Hold it. We're going to screw it to the bottom of the board, and we're going to turn this over quick. And when we do,
We got red.
let's see. No. Not enough.
Careful, Dad.
All right.
Okay.
We're going to turn it over and we're going to run.
Run!
And we'll see how long it takes
It's going. It's going.
to mix with that.
What? Ah!